Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger on Android. So let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving on. Next, tap the menu icon at the bottom of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. Go ahead and tap on it. Under the Security section, tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Then tap on Manage Security Alerts. Here you can toggle off any alerts you no longer want to receive. After that, go back and tap on Message Storage. Now tap Delete Secure Storage. This will completely remove end-to-end encryption from your Messenger account on Android. And that's it. You've successfully turned off end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.